Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. I be a mix up. I want to mix up and still. Don't all love it. Still. Know the people everywhere can relate. It's gonna love it. See? Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things that's good. See, welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and grow the platform. You know, see it. So, this is some little selector youth. You know, we don't even say boy, catch me on a DJ. We don't want to sound too offensive. He don't sound offensive. I think that's permitted for DJs to call them one of them boy. We don't think we outside. Anyways, so look at selector youth are going with them larger than life self, you know, the public eyes. And you know, that's me I observe. Yeah, observe the general and I say, but watch the star. Look there, I can't, you know, see it and I try. At one point, me even I try, I wonder if I see a man. You know, see, super Twitch me attack, Rasta, super Twitch. You know, see it. Yeah, man, if I wonder if I see a man, because the man get all big and stuck here and just round like, you know, it's an effort for move and all them things. That's why I said, John, no worry, but yeah, progressively the DJ, you know, doing thing and well established and yeah, right across the world, but it's nice for who can look back and show some of the positives amongst us or about us and where we are come from too. And we know a guy belly and I hurt him when him say all the video if him see it, you know. No, I can marvel. I can marvel so that you don't definitely hunt it, don't carry go show it. Yeah, man, you don't see it, but you don't know, you don't see it. I want to say big up to Super Twitch still and enough respect for all of your achievements them over the years. You have really come a long way. 30 odd years, we know over 30 odd years out of music you have under your belt. Enough man can say that a very few youth nowadays. Man nowadays can say that. You know, see it and I live it out and hold it out. Yeah, big man you know still mature and thing. I man love that. You know, see it. You know, see it out of way. Same way. Yeah. Well, I did that in the crowd. I go and help manipulate the process. Same way. You know, see it. I will give thanks. See? So we're going to play a little video of the IMC. I'll get that some more. You know, see it. Yes, I give thanks.
Easily.
Hey, hey, when the road is hard up yonder, Sonic grooving down, grooving down. Whoa, hey, everybody there. Gotta give the answer. But I don't see you dancing. Sing reggae music song. I'm good with that. And I don't want you to dance to that. Who's it? Why am I showing you this? Why is it down? It's a bit one that size of shit. Come on, life is one big road with a lot of sign. One big road with a lot of sign. Sign and no sign. Come on, come on. Life is one big road with a lot of sign. Sign and no sign. I'm gonna make up my mind to face. Supersonic anytime. Go get one, say. Go get one, say. One lazy. Life is one big road. Face reality all the time. Whoa. Many a sorrow, many a joy. Never. Supersonic, the girls' home, nice and easy.
Yes, and the same dance. You see, so where I don't get a compilation and different, and a few clips them where exist in the whole video, the entire video where Super Twitch do him thing the night, you know. Hey Twitch, hey DJ and all on the more I know say. And I have respect for Twitch, you know. See, Twitch used to do child labor. Well, yeah, a baby that Rasta. Man look like about 15 star. Biggie that thing that hey tenge. Yeah, win. No, Rasta, he that thing gonna keep up on the you. A child labor that Rasta. Yeah man, Wayne Scarlett, the general. Mad love and respect, you know. Health and strength and prosperity to the eye, whatever the eye there, you know, see, cause yeah, the eye them did Wayne Scarlett, Tenga and Yap them did bring a level of class to the thing. You know, seeing which was the thing of the day. The man they'd come with a different style, you know. I'm more, you know, however the man they do it, the man that was conflict free. Seeing? a man that was conflict free throughout the whole administration, and we give thanks and we love that. And the moment has never been forgotten because it's always something to look at, something to appreciate and admire, something to aspire to. You know, seeing we in Scarlet, maximum respect for General. Tenge, anywhere you're there, R.I.P. to Yap and him family them. You know, see. But yeah, man, see, and as you see, Twitch was just one of the many younger youth them where them, like, who they say adapt, but, you know, take in and avail them with the opportunity to explore certain talents where they might have had hidden or wouldn't have been able to do so otherwise. You know, see, so give thanks to them man there, Super Sadiq, I'm sound. See? Yeah, man, big up yourself, Super Twitch. You know, see, but, you know, Pargy is a youth where, you know, we all of we forgot Pargy still. You know, see it, and Pargy at the man where boss Twitch. You know, man, as can nobody ever know Twitch before Pargy got stand up around Supersonic Sound and did a balance the thing. You know, see Pargy, a big man, Pargy set the thing. Pargy responsible somewhat, if not entirely, for select a Webley career, Weber, for you so they are Blackstone. You know, see, we'll feature Weber soon, hopefully. We'll make Weber, you know, see, yeah, with a love of a word with Weber, respectfully, if Weber can, you know, see, our will. You know, see, but yeah, seeing Pargy is a formidable figure in a rock fort in terms of music development, sound system development, and things like that. You know, see, R.I.P. to the family. You know, see, it lost Pargy a couple of years back due to unfortunate circumstance and things like that. Yes, circumstances beyond our control. You know, see, so you don't know. You still give thanks to the life and, you know, see what it means to us. Seeing, but Super Twitch, look on Twitch star, and I said, John, Twitch a baby star. The man them have mercy upon him when them see that one there and door to rub him down in the ground too far. Still, you know, it's a child labor that star. You know, see, man look like I force him. Like I force him, I say, hey, go work. But it was far from that still. You see, because personally, seeing, I'm used to observe and admire the process, and tell us, it was far from that. It was a what you call independent, recognized, and you know, me I say respected talent. You know, see, cause yeah, I could remember that it wasn't like any Twitch, as young as and small as him is, even during them time there, him you know, had a grown-up posture and a grown-up attitude about himself. And, you know, even with the company where him keep and things like that, I was usually bigger, older man than himself. And like me say, yeah. Seeing, so yeah, it was like that. I would give thanks. It was a decent moment, piece away where, you know, we not forget. You know, see it, and we give thanks to Rasta. See? So big up yourself, Super Twitch, and all of the DJ them where the Twitch show off pan. Rub that one here in him face. I'm say show off me with spinning the music. It's not a show off you. It's not a you. I don't think so. I've never get that impression from him. You know, see. So I can't. It's not like we were close or even, you know, and I don't think of anything like that. I don't remember even having any close interaction, like even saying hello or nothing like that. But still, we can, you would have known, because the same place the whole over there, same corner, same road, same everywhere, just that with so much that's more time a man they even have to deal with one another for no you know what I say? Know one another. No, literally know one another. Know what one will do from one or do. Yeah, the community was that close. See, Rockford. So yeah, my general. So by big up my bedroom, you know. Nobody feel like we're there with no. You know, see, now we're glad we're not for about no fire for that one. We give thanks to one how we grew up and manifest, because the whole of we see him yet grew at the time there. You know, see it and yeah, all I wish. The bad mind, you know, because we know we know it's a task still, but and I wish we was Twitch, but wish we could have did excel in our category or in our lane. Same way, like have access to resource of a choice, I think like that. You know, but yeah, but it was a good and hopeful era of hope for youth and things like that, as you can see. You see it, so we can't, we're not telling a lie, you know, can't stop talking about it, but we love it still. We give thanks. Rastafari. Jaja. Share, like, and subscribe.